Welcome back, guys. Well, today we're gonna put the tent together and get it raised up so I can get this pop-up up so I can get working on it some more. I've talked to DMV. I gotta go there again Monday. Thing is, it doesn't have a title, so they told me I'd do it as a homemade trailer, so I may have to gut it out and take and get it weighed and only put what I'm going to put back in it. So I'm going to bring you guys along. I'm going to put you on time lapse though, so we'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, this is day 2. We demoed it all yesterday, as you saw on the little post. I'll show you a quick rundown. There is nothing left in here. I gotta take that pipe out. That was from the heater. That's the electrical box over there. So I just want to tell you guys my plan. As you saw on the little clip here, what my plan is to take the slide out beds right out, okay, and make a bed 3 foot and then another one 3 foot. Let's put this back here and we can have it clear, the floor clear. Should be no rodents or anything in here. Cleaned it all out yesterday, and we'll just do some more stuff. Anyway, all right. This is the stove. We're gonna keep the stove. That's gonna have its own thing. What my plan is to do 3 foot. Let's put you guys down on the floor so you can see me, or see me do this. All right. I'm gonna mark it right here on this floor. The floor is not bad. I mean, you gotta take some stuff off and fix some holes, but the new flooring I'm gonna put in is gonna cover that. So what we're gonna do, what I wanna do, okay, we don't need all the stove and all that, or the refrigerator and all that in here. I'm thinking about .36 inches, 3 foot bed, widthwise, and lengthwise it's going to be the whole width of the trailer. So what the plan is, if I can get my tape measure to cooperate, it's going to be about a 6.5 foot bed. I'm 6'3". I'll be able to sleep on that. So I'm thinking about taking the slide outs right out, and then what I'm gonna put you guys to show you the little mark here on the floor. That's where the end of the bed's gonna sit. It's gonna go to the wall, and you'll be able to use the beds as a seat too. We're gonna take the slide out beds right out. We don't need them. And what my plan is, I'm gonna buy those drop down screens. Like, well, I bought some track that I have screen, but I don't know if it's big enough to fit in here. Because you'll want it to drop down pretty good. So 48 inches, I don't know if that's 48 inches, I think it's 38 inches. But we're gonna fix this board today. I bought more boards. We're gonna take it apart and fix it and get the ceiling up the way it's supposed to be. So, but and you figure over here you're gonna have 3 foot just to get us through Oklahoma. Our 3 foot's gonna be right here. This is gonna move. So if we go 3 foot, that leaves us almost 4 feet right here. So we could build a cabinet right here. Now mind you, it's gonna have storage under the bed. I'm gonna block the things in that way. If I gotta get in there to fix something, I can. I'm gonna spray them all down though first. We're gonna foam around the wheel wells, and then all these holes we're gonna foam it in. The bed's probably gonna be 2 foot, not even 2 foot. Let's see what we got here. I'll probably make the bed 20 inches high off the floor, because then I'll put that memory foam mattress on it, both sides, split it in half. But my main thing is I want to get this roof strengthened. We got some damage here, not too bad. There's some water damage there, not too bad. I mean, I could take the whole roof right off and just flip it over and repair it. But I need to investigate some more stuff. The gas line we're gonna have to take out because I don't want it under there. I'm gonna feed it over here and up. There's a hole right there, and we'll feed it right out this hole right here. So that hole will be covered. Probably not going to trash the slide out stuff. I'll probably keep those in case once we get back from Oklahoma and stuff, and throughout the summer I want to make it a full pop out again. I'm fine with just making it 2 beds there. It's just Gina and I, and I mean, you got Troy and David, but Troy's not going to sleep in it with us at the campground. He probably will have to at DD5, unless he goes to Leonard Mountain. Unless they're going to be at the, well, we're not going to go to campsite until later that week. We're going to go help DD5, help Mike and Lissa if they need help with project. But anyway, that's where we're at right now. I'm gonna get my stuff that I have in the van, all the wood and stuff set up. I want to make my marks. This is all gonna be painted, so I don't care if I draw on it. This floor, you'll never see the floor. Let's see where 3 foot brings us over here. That I haven't done yet, because I don't want to interfere with the doorway. Okay, 3 foot. 3 foot. Alright. What about over here? Should bring us right to this wheel wall. Just about right here. Yeah, I think that'll be good. That'll be very good. Even if you can't fit on that bed, you don't need to be sleeping. He told me he was 5'9". I'm 6'3". So, and I know I'll be able to sleep right there. Yeah, I think that'll work for us. Still got a little bit to pull out, some stuff. I gotta get my box head drill bit so I can pull that out. That we may even move. Let's see. We could probably even put the table right there. Move that over. Kind of put the table right in the middle. Then we can sit on the bed and eat. Nah, we'll see. I haven't decided if I'm even going to put the table back in here. I mean, that's what outside's going to be for. I'm going to get a tarp that goes over the side and extends out, and I have some poles. Matter of fact, I could even use those poles and make a like a screened area. I have a 10 by 10 tent too, so. But anyway. Alright, I'll bring y'all back when I get going.